3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff of NASA's New Horizons spacecraft on a decade-long voyage to visit the planet Pluto and then beyond.
Way back in 1970s, an abnormality in Neptune's orbit indicated that there was something strange out there. And that abnormality was due to none other than our very own Pluto. And we discovered her. Yes, Pluto is a female. Anyways, Pluto, which was once discovered as 9th planet in our solar system, is not a planet anymore. But what actually happened? Did Pluto change, or the definition of what constitutes a planet changed? If Pluto is not a planet, what is it? Pluto has 5 moons in total. Then why not consider it as a planet? What led the astronomers to debate whether Pluto is a planet or not? So grab your coffee and sit back as I speak of the unspoken things. Although Pluto was discovered as a planet, but right from the start Pluto was a weird one. Its orbit was not on the plane of solar system, and it crept inside Neptune's orbit from time to time. As technology advanced, scientists found new celestial bodies similar to Pluto. The problem was that they were so similar to Pluto that a question started to pop up whether these bodies should also be added to our list of planets. Eris, a newly discovered celestial body, was way more massive than Pluto. This forced a scientist to bring a new concept of planets, or else our solar system could have 17 to 18 planets. So eventually the International Astronomical Union agreed on a threefold definition of planets. First of all, it must orbit the Sun. Secondly, it must have enough mass so that its gravity makes it spherical. Third, it must have cleared the neighbor of its orbit. There were recent speculations that Pluto has been destroyed or has disappeared, but these claims are totally false. Pluto has not vanished, it has just been reclassified as a dwarf planet. According to IAU, Pluto only fulfilled the first 2 criterion and hence removed from the list of planets, and as a result declared as dwarf planet. Now what is a dwarf planet? How is it different from regular king-size planets like Mars or Jupiter? The planets which fulfills the above 2 criteria, like I said, must orbit around the Sun and must have enough mass to make it spherical due to its gravity, but does not follow the third criteria of clearing its neighbor around orbit, is called a dwarf planet. Actually, Pluto's orbit around the Sun is not parallel to other 8 planets' orbits. Its gravitational strength is not strong enough to sweep asteroids and clean its path. There are 11 known dwarf planets in our solar system, among which Pluto is the largest one. A celestial body with almost 5 moons, bright atmosphere, air running over its icy mountains, but still not a planet. The question of Pluto's planet status has attracted controversy and stirred debate in scientific community, and surprisingly, many still claim it to be a planet. But officially, on paper it is a dwarf planet. Let's see if in the near future the definition of planets changes again, and maybe our solar system could have more than 100 planets. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down your thoughts. See you soon in another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, sayonara.